welcome to another episode. I'm going to be making twists in my hair today because I'm going on a trip. Now my hair is freshly washed and still damp, no products. I'm going to put in like some leave-in conditioner, some braiding gel to section my hair into parts. Let me show you guys the braiding hair I'll be using. So I'll be using 6 packs. I don't know if I'll use all 6, but I bought 6 packs of this water wave hair in town, and I hope it makes sense. I'm trying to make goddess locks. I'm trying to make goddess braids, so we twist then like 3 strands of hair. Hopefully it comes out fine. And I bought those black and my hair is like orange, so I don't know how that's going to turn out, but keep watching. So while on my trip last Christmas, I bought this Mielle Rosemary Mint leave-in conditioner. This is the first time I'm going to be using it, so I'm going to put that all over my hair and put my shea butter mix before I start sectioning it for the twists. I don't know, it smells very minty. Then I have this mixture of shea butter, castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil that I made by myself. I just whipped everything all together. That's what I use. So I'm going to put that all over my hair also before I start sectioning. Hopefully everything turns out okay because I'm going on a trip and I have to look my best, you know, because I'm representing. My hair is now in 4 sections. This is the back and this is the front. So I believe this part is like self-explanatory. I just parted each of the 4 sections into smaller parts. I'm not using a mirror, so I'm just like freestyling it. That's why the parts are not like equal and straight and all of that. But again, I'm not doing my hair myself, so that's it. 2 sections down, so I have just 2 braids / twists left. Yeah, so I'm just going to pat it with my rat tail comb. Yeah, so I pat it and then I braid. Simple as that. I start with a 3-strand braid, and once I'm down to like the middle, I end it with a twist. This is the last one. Yo, this is like 10 p.m. and I have a flight tomorrow, so hopefully I can finish this before my flight. Yep, finishing it up with a twist and we are done. Done. Wow, I mean, can't I just take my hair out like this and not even bother to put in the goddess twist anymore, because I'm just tired. This is what it looks like from behind, and this is the front. My braids are black, right, and my hair is orange, so what am I going to do? I bought something from Boots. So I bought this L'Oreal Magic Retouch in black. I'm going to spray that all over my hair so that it's black and it doesn't show up in my... So hopefully it makes sense, because I've never done this before. Yeah, so I finished the entire can because I sprayed my entire hair, and I still have a few orange strands, but I think it did a pretty good job. Now, do I want to open the second can or just... I think I can leave this as it is. I think this is pretty good. It's a real change from how bright and orange my hair was previously. Yeah, my hand is black. But yeah, next step is to put in the twist. I will start with the back and come show you guys how it is in front. This is me the next morning, like 10 a.m. and I'm just sitting down watching Shadow and Bone on Netflix and twisting my hair up. It's pretty self-explanatory. What I did was I took 2 strands of the water wave hair, kind of separated it, then used a crochet pin to insert the hair under my braid or twist of my actual hair, and then twisted everything up. That's just all I did. I would show you guys a close-up soon, but the hair was like 24 inches, so like it was long, so I twisted it all to the tip, and I'm like not even bothered just watching TV because at this point I'm tired. I'm like just done. So this is like a sped up part. I'm just twisting everything, trying to get everything done. Now remember I said I wanted to do goddess twist, which means I will twist the hair, then put curly strands, like free curly strands out of the individual twist. I tried it, I did everything, but it looked horrible because the curly hair I bought to like leave out was just very bad hair. I didn't know it was bad because it looked very good in the store. I touched it and it felt good, but it just kept tangling. So I put it in and then I cut everything out before my trips, but I don't have any clip of that here because it looked very bad. So I just ended up having just passion twist. So this is a close-up. I have just like 2 strands left. Put the crochet pin under my hair, hook the twist on the crochet pin and pull it back out. Once I do that, I drag one end of the hair out and then I just start twisting it around my existing hair. Don't mind my ashy hands, like they've been through a lot. So I just twist all to the end. Yeah, and it's funny because I sprayed that L'Oreal thing. It has already started transferring from here because you can see my hair is no longer as black or as dark as it was when I initially sprayed that stuff. So honestly, I don't think that thing stays well. It's very like a little water and oil, it's gone. This is the last twist. At this point I'm like, I'm done. This was before I actually started trying to put the free curls for the goddess part of this twist, but I ended up not using that anyway, and I didn't put that in this video because there's no point. So I did this, and then after this part of the video you would see my 2-week update where I show you guys what the hair looks like and what I'm going to do. So this is the final look. I still had a lot of orange picking out. Like, I didn't think it was very bad. This is not my best job. I've done like better twists on myself than this, but this was the final look. I did this, showered, and went on my trip. Hi guys, so this is a twist, the hair I made after 2 weeks. I hate it. It's very rough. It's not giving me the look I wanted, and yeah, I'm going to be taking it out today. It's been 2 weeks and I'm done. This hair is terrible and I am going to take it out. So remember I did like individual braids and then braided hair on it. I'm going to just unravel the twist. Also, on another note, remember I used the L'Oreal colored spray, the retouch. That thing transfers, like it transferred everywhere. Like I felt so bad for the person cleaning my room in the hotel because I would shower at night and I'll obviously go to bed before my hair dries, like my nape, and I'll wake up and I'll see like little black splotches on the pillow, on the white pillow, because of the color transfer. Once it's wet, it's going to transfer. So I'm honestly not a huge fan. So I'm just going to, yeah, that's my hair. Just going to unravel each one and yeah, change my hairstyle for the week. Today is Sunday, so I don't know if I'm going to do something else with my hair or just probably wash my hair and put on a wig. But yeah, that's it. I'm just going to take out the twist one by one. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If there's any other video you'd like me to do, please leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.